Mieri ya mbere ya gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19, kaunti cia Nairobi, Mombasa, Kiambu na Naikuru nicio irakoragwo muraini-ini wa mbere na gicunji kia iguru kia arwaru eru aria marandikithagio o muthenya. No ciumia cia ica ikuhi riri murimu uyu uronekana kuhwererekera, nacio kaunti imwe ni hindi ithabu ria arwaru eru na gicunji kia iguru riratema njira.
So what we're saying is that while the overall curve may be showing progress in a downward trend, when that curve is dismantled into counties, you will still see that there are some counties where numbers are rising, and that is why we are saying we must exercise caution in interpretation of that curve.
We have come out with the percentage division of support in terms of material, in terms of the technical, the human, where we think that there is need for training, where we think that we need to send in our technical team to work with the counties. That will continue to, we have been doing it and we continue to do it.
Kaunti ya Nairobi riu itongoretie na gicunji kia 56 hari 100 kia aria monekanite na COVID-19 na arwaru 19,801. Kaunti ya Kiambu na arwaru 2,587 igacokererwo ni kaunti ya Mombasa na arwaru 2,483. Kaunti ici cieri ikinyitanira na gicunji kia 7 hari 100 kia arwaru othe bururi-ini.
70% of the national confirmed cases are from these three counties, which also account for 80% of the cumulative samples tested so far.
Ona muigana wa arwaru ugicokaga thi, bururi no urandikithia arwaru eru, arwaru angi 151 makiongerera ithabu-ini ria aria manyititwo ni COVID-19 bururi-ini mathaa 24 mahituku, aria mahonete makiongerera na andu 173, no bururi ndwandikithitie gikuo kiumanite na COVID-19 ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku.
Only 2 are foreigners, the rest are Kenyans. In terms of gender, for the first time, females have outnumbered males. We have 77 that are females and 74 that are males.
Kiria muingi urathie na mbere gutindikiririo ni guthie na mbere gutia mawatho ma kwigitira na kwimenyerera niguo kunyita itemi hari kwaragania grafu ya murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.